Happy 2014.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just got very nice ice cream today. And we opened this ice cream. I have never seen ice cream like this.
Oh.
Check the film. Old Thomas by Premia.
The best shit in this area.
Very good and is very soft,
Finnish ice cream.
So I have very good comrades here who help me to open it. I have one hand on my phone. One hand on phone. Very good joke, guys. Very good. So I help you. You help me.
Let's open.
I hold this
video, push the button.
I have to hold the ice cream because they can maybe steal it. I know they're very bad. Put it down, everybody see. Put it
3, 2, 1.
And you see there is 2 ice creams.
No way.
There is 2 ice creams. Oh, there is 2 ice creams. There is 2 ice creams. There is 2 ice creams, guys. 2 ice creams. 2 ice creams. And this is my YouTube channel, first movie with my... Thank you YouTube, thank you world, thank you Premia.